SOFI update here on the 27th. So enjoy these moves while they're happening. This is going to be one of those moves that happens every once in a while, but impulse moves happen like maybe 10% of the time. The majority of the time, stocks are in these kind of moves. So we got to enjoy it while it lasts. It makes it super easy to do analysis on the stock when it's in an uptrend impulse compared to when it's in a corrective move. So that's why people get so frustrated in the stock market, because they don't realize that there's corrective and there's impulse. And they get really frustrated when they want the impulse to happen during this move. Kind of what you saw over the last year when I was doing my analysis and you had people mad that we didn't break out, we're going lower, and we went back and forth for a long time. So enjoy it while it lasts. I think we still have some upside. Let's get into the count. So the last video I talked about this being in a fourth wave. And I said that it could likely come down here to 15, 20. Unlikely to come below this. And we bottomed right there, right around that area, right around 15, 20. And what are we doing now? We're starting an uptrend. What's my target? It's the same thing as last video pretty much, but the target is going to be somewhere up here around 1670 or so. So I think that this is wave 1 right here. Wave 2. I don't think, if you go down on smaller time frames, you can make an argument that this was a big fourth wave, but I don't think so. I think it's likely wave 1, wave 2, and we're in wave 3. So the target is going to be the 1.61 fib, and that is right at like 1620. That's basically where we just hit. So it's possible that the fourth wave or the third wave is finished, but I would imagine that we see a little bit more upside on Monday or on Friday morning and then pull back, and then I'm looking for one more move higher after that. Probably going to be finished on Monday. Or keep on saying Monday, on Friday. So by that half day, I would imagine that this is finished. And if we zoom out here, that means we finished the third wave of this. So I think this should be done on Friday at the latest Monday morning. And then I'm looking for a pullback again. So 1, 2, 3, pullback. And then one more big move into the end of the year, probably through January. Or it's complete by December. And then we get like some kind of corrective move like this. But it comes back to the top around in January. And I would say we're probably going to finish this entire move by the end of January, I would say. Based on the timing of everything else, end of January should be the finishing touches of this 5-wave move. And I'm pretty sure it's a 5-wave move now. I think that the ABC move, as far as this being stopping right here, has already passed. We're already at 1620. So I do think that we're just looking at it like 1, 2, 3, probably somewhere around 17 bucks, pull back, and then probably 22 bucks by January, I would say. That is the 1.61 fib. So pretty much this analysis just day after day is going to be the same thing, just following this. Unless there's an invalidation, then we'll have to change everything. But right now it's pretty easy to see what's going to happen next. So yeah, look for more upside on Friday into Monday. I would say 1675 is my target, but it could be less than that, could be a little bit more, we'll see. But Friday or Monday it will be finished, and you look for a pullback probably after that. I think probably into early December. So probably by the end of next week we're pulling back for a fourth wave. So again, that looks like fourth wave, and then the final move higher to complete the overall third wave is going to be this right here. No idea how high it goes because this is very small. but I would imagine it probably hits around 17 bucks. So there really isn't that much upside over the next couple of days. There's about maybe 5% upside, I would say. And then we're probably going to consolidate for 3, 4, 5 days, something like that. So that's the update for now. Let's see what happens. I will update again on Friday. Happy Thanksgiving. Hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already. And you can join as well if you want to support the channel. You can also donate, buy me a coffee. That's all in the description. And I will catch you in the next video.